guys, Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today, and I'm here in Kingman, Arizona at one of my favorite places to shoot video at, Bad Gas Garage, right on Beale Street in downtown Kingman, Arizona. And behind me here, it's a beautiful 1968 El Camino, and this car is dressed to kill. In other words, it's all business, no show. It's all go, but no show. This car has, this El Camino has 600 horse plus a 250 shot of wet nitrous. This thing will scream down the track like nobody's business, and it's actually, from what I understand, it's actually for sale. So, you know, get a hold of Bad Gas Garage here if you want to go ahead and check it out and buy it. Bad Gas Garage here again is in Kingman, Arizona, and hopefully you like this car, because I'll tell you what, I do. We here at Eric's Garage AZ are burning the midnight oil to bring you the best quality videos we can find. If you like the content and you want to support our channel, please buy me a coffee, hit the link below, and if you drop your email, you will get a shout out on one of our next videos.